How to cancel a reservation in Expedia. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel a reservation on Expedia. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, the US Department of Transportation allows for all customers who have booked flights going to or from the US to receive a full refund on their flight if they cancel within 24 hours of booking and provided the ticket was purchased at least 7 days ahead of scheduled departure. Now, there are a few exceptions, and that is that you cannot cancel your flight reservation online through Expedia if you booked with a low-cost carrier like Spirit or Frontier, and in this case you'll have to call the airline directly. So in order to canceling our Expedia flight or any type of other reservations that you have made on Expedia, first of all, you can simply go to expedia.com/trips. I'll also make sure to leave the link in the description box below. Once you do so, just go to the URL and then click on the itinerary that you want to modify, and as you do so, you'll find the option that says manage reservation, as you could see over here. Once you select the option called manage reservation, here at the bottom right you'll be able to see a list of various options. You can just select the option called cancel flight, and if you're eligible for the free 24-hour cancellation, it will be written underneath the cancel flight link, and you'll be taken to the cancel your flight page where you'll again be prompted to confirm cancellation. If you're eligible for refund because of the 24-hour rule, the amounts that will be returned to your account will be displayed. And that's all it takes to cancel a reservation in Expedia. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then feel free to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.